Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I had to take my wife's 2023 Honda Pilot to the dealership. We had to do our annual state safety inspection on the car, so I took it in, and plus I wanted them to look at one or two items that had me concerned under warranty. I'll do those in another video. But what I did notice is on our light color gray here, we're starting to get some fabric transfer, some dye transfer here. So dark pants and jeans that my wife wears, starting to rub off a little bit on the interior. So what we want to do, or what I want to do, is I want to see if Griot's interior cleaner will get it out of there. We're going to give it a shot and see what happens. Okay, we're all done. I went through it. I did it twice just to give it a second pass here, and I'm really impressed. It released probably 95% of the dye, both in this area here and back here on this bolster. There was a bunch, and you could see a line here where there was like a wrinkle, and where it wasn't getting the dye on it, and that wrinkle's gone now. So what I'll do at the end, I'll put a before and after photo so you can see it. But yeah, so there you go. Griot's Garage interior cleaner gets the blue off your seats. Have a good one. Bye. So one final PS, guys and gals, when you're done cleaning the leather, I highly recommend you follow up with this Griot's Leather 3-in-1 spray. I use this about every 3,000 to 4,000 miles on all my cars with leather, and it works great. Our Odyssey has over 200,000 miles, and the seats look fantastic. I was religious using this stuff, especially when the kids were in car seats and stuff. Every 2,000 miles keeps that leather looking great. Take care.